When it comes to our health, few things matter more than the well-being of our gut. Our digestive system is often referred to as our body's second brain, and for good reason. It not only processes the food we eat, but also communicates with our brain, influencing our mood, energy levels, and overall health. A healthy gut can lead to a happier, more vibrant life. It's not just about digestion. Our gut plays a crucial role in our immunity, inflammation levels, and even our mental health. The gut-brain axis is a complex communication network that links our emotional and cognitive centers with our intestinal functions. This means that what we eat can directly impact how we feel and think. This is especially true for individuals who have undergone bariatric surgery, are managing acid reflux, or are battling gut inflammation. These conditions can make it challenging to maintain a balanced diet, but with careful planning, it's possible to support gut health and overall well-being. Meal planning becomes a powerful tool in these situations, allowing us to take control of our health one bite at a time. By organizing our meals in advance, we can ensure that we are consistently consuming foods that promote gut health and avoid those that may cause harm. By carefully selecting foods that nourish and soothe our gut, we can reduce inflammation, manage weight, and minimize acid reflux triggers. Foods rich in fiber, probiotics, and anti-inflammatory properties are particularly beneficial. Think of colorful fruits and vegetables, lean proteins like salmon, and whole grains such as quinoa. It's about making conscious choices that support our body's natural healing processes. Shopping for fresh produce, reading food labels, and preparing meals at home can make a significant difference. These small mindful actions add up to create a big impact on our gut health. This proactive approach to eating can lead to long-term improvements in our overall well-being. Not only can it enhance our physical health, but it can also boost our mental clarity and emotional stability. Engaging in regular physical activities like yoga can further complement our dietary efforts. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the hows and whys of creating a gut-friendly meal plan that works for you. We'll explore specific foods, recipes, and strategies to help you on your journey to a healthier gut and a happier life. Gut inflammation is a common problem that can manifest in a variety of ways. It affects millions of people worldwide and can significantly impact one's quality of life. Understanding the root causes and symptoms is the first step towards managing this condition effectively. Symptoms range from bloating and gas to more serious conditions like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. These symptoms can be persistent and debilitating, often leading to chronic discomfort and other health complications if left untreated. Often this inflammation is triggered by our diet and lifestyle choices. Poor eating habits, such as consuming too much junk food, and a sedentary lifestyle can exacerbate gut issues. It's crucial to recognize these triggers to make informed decisions about our health. Processed foods, sugar, unhealthy fats, and alcohol can all contribute to an imbalance in our gut bacteria, leading to inflammation. These foods can disrupt the delicate balance of our gut microbiome, making it harder for our digestive system to function properly. Stress, lack of sleep, and certain medications can also play a role. Chronic stress and sleep deprivation can weaken the immune system, making the gut more susceptible to inflammation. Additionally, some medications can disrupt gut health, further complicating the issue. The good news is that we have the power to fight back. By making conscious lifestyle changes, we can significantly improve our gut health. This includes adopting a balanced diet, managing stress, and ensuring adequate sleep. By incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into our diet, we can help to soothe the gut and restore balance. These foods can reduce inflammation and promote a healthier gut environment. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like fatty fish are particularly beneficial. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to reduce inflammation and support overall gut health. Colorful fruits and vegetables packed with antioxidants can also play a significant role. Antioxidants help to protect the gut lining and reduce oxidative stress, which can contribute to inflammation. And fiber-rich whole grains all play a crucial role in reducing inflammation. Fiber helps to maintain a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. After bariatric surgery, your relationship with food changes dramatically. Your stomach is smaller and you can no longer eat the same portions as before. This means you have to be more conscious about what you put into your body. Your body absorbs nutrients differently, and you need to be extra mindful of what you eat to ensure proper healing and long-term success. This involves understanding the nutritional content of your food and making sure you're getting the right balance of vitamins and minerals. This is where meal planning becomes essential. By planning your meals ahead of time, you can make sure you're eating a balanced diet that supports your new lifestyle. It provides a structured approach to eating, ensuring you consume the right amount of nutrients, protein, and fluids while avoiding foods that could irritate your system. This structure can help you stay on track and avoid the temptation of unhealthy foods. Meal planning takes the guesswork out of eating after surgery. You won't have to worry about what to eat each day because you'll have a plan in place. It allows you to prioritize high-protein foods for satiety and muscle preservation, which are crucial for your recovery and overall health. Incorporate smaller portions of healthy carbohydrates, such as whole grains, to provide you with sustained energy throughout the day, and ensure you're getting enough vitamins and minerals. This can be achieved by including a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet. It also helps you stay hydrated, which is vital for overall health and recovery. Drinking enough water is essential to keep your body functioning properly and to aid in the healing process. This sample meal plan is designed to be bariatric friendly, anti-inflammatory, and easy on the stomach. Remember to listen to your body and adjust portions as needed. Monday. Kickstart with anti-inflammatory power. For breakfast, we're having Greek yogurt with berries and chia seeds. This meal provides protein, probiotics for gut health, and antioxidants. For lunch, enjoy a comforting bowl of lentil soup with a side salad. It's easy to digest, high in fiber, and packed with anti-inflammatory nutrients. And for dinner, savor baked salmon with roasted vegetables. This dish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, lean protein, and fiber. Tuesday. Prioritizing protein and fiber. Start your day with scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado. It's protein-rich, contains healthy fats, and is easy on the stomach. For lunch, have a chicken salad with mixed greens. This meal provides lean protein, healthy fats, and fiber from vegetables. And for dinner, enjoy turkey meatloaf with mashed sweet potatoes. It's a comforting dish with lean protein and fiber-rich sweet potatoes. Wednesday soothing and flavorful choices. Begin with overnight oats with almond milk and berries for breakfast. This meal is easy to digest, fiber-rich, and packed with antioxidants. For lunch, try a quinoa salad with grilled chicken. It's gluten-free, protein-packed, and full of fiber and nutrients. And for dinner, have baked cod with steamed broccoli and brown rice. This light and easily digestible meal is packed with nutrients. Thursday, easy and delicious nourishment. For breakfast, we have a smoothie with protein powder, spinach, and berries. It's quick, nutritious, and packed with antioxidants. For lunch, enjoy some leftover turkey meatloaf with a side salad. It's convenient, protein-rich, and fiber-rich. And for dinner, there's chicken and vegetable stir-fry. It's light, flavorful, and packed with nutrients. Friday, fish for a happy gut. For breakfast, enjoy some scrambled tofu with avocado and whole wheat toast. It's packed with plant-based protein, healthy fats, and fiber. For lunch, try a tuna salad with celery and whole wheat crackers. This meal provides omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and is a light lunch option. And for dinner, treat yourself to salmon patties with roasted asparagus. It's flavorful, packed with omega-3s, and easy to digest. Saturday, a day for comfort and balance. Start your day with whole wheat pancakes topped with berries and yogurt. It's a balanced and satisfying breakfast option. For lunch, have some leftover chicken and vegetable stir-fry. It's convenient, nutritious, and flavorful. And for dinner, enjoy some hearty turkey chili. It's flavorful and packed with fiber and protein. Sunday, prepping for the week ahead. Begin your morning with oatmeal topped with nuts, seeds, and berries. It's fiber-rich, nutritious, and a great way to start the day. For lunch, enjoy some leftover turkey chili. It's convenient, satisfying, and full of flavor. And for dinner, have a baked chicken breast with roasted vegetables. It's a simple, healthy, and easy-to-prepare meal. Section 5. Fuel your journey. Access exclusive gut-friendly recipes. Ready to embark on a journey towards optimal gut health? I've created a comprehensive recipe book filled with delicious and easy-to-follow recipes specifically designed to reduce inflammation, support weight management, and soothe digestive discomfort. These recipes are more than just meals. They're a roadmap to a happier, healthier you. Click the link below to get exclusive access to my gut-friendly recipe book and start transforming your health today.